Hello everyone, you have to tie the hairs on the top and fix it like this on the top by folding it little bit. Now take the hairs in small sections on the sides and make the plaits on it as we are making. After that, at the end we will tie all the hairs together and divide them into small sections like this one by one using the rubber bands. Pull it little bit like this and it's ready. Next, you have to take the beautiful colorful rubber bands and tie it on the hairs like this. Now divide the hairs into two parts again on the top and again make the plaits on it like this by taking the hairs from the back. Join it like this one by one as we are taking the hairs. Fix it properly. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Now follow the same process for the front section of the hairs which we kept aside. Now join them together and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top like this and fix it properly by dividing the hairs into two parts. Now make the plaits on it like this. Fix it as we are fixing. Now tie the hairs and it's ready. Next, we have to tie the hairs like this and then make the plaits on it. Now join the hairs, fix it properly, tie it like this, take the hairs in these small sections and join them. Tie it one by one as shown in the video. Follow the same process for the other side of the hairs. Now fix it on the sides and fold it again upward like this. Make a heart-like shape, roll the hairs around it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and make the plaits on it. Now after that, making the plaits, we will join it on the sides and make the plaits on all the hairs. Now tie it using the rubber bands, put the beautiful hair clutches on it. Follow the same process for the other side of the hairs. Fix it properly, pull out the hairs from the sides little bit like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top like this and make the plaits on it. After making the plaits, we will take the hairs from the front in the lining sections to join it like this to make the plaits. Follow the same step for the other side. Take it till the end. Now at the end, we will join all the hairs in the same manner and make the plaits on all the hairs till the end of the hairs. Fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the side like this. Fix it properly by making the plaits. So here we are not basically making the plaits. Here we are rolling the hairs. Take small section like this and join it and then roll it. Watch the technique very carefully, how we are rolling the hairs and how we are fixing it. Take equal section of the hairs to give the lining effects in the front. Follow the same process for the other side of the hairs. Join it in the same manner on the side as well. Now take small section from it and make the plaits on it. Now take the hairs again in the small sections and join it like this. Take all the hairs in the same manner and fix it till the end. Tie the plaits and fold it upward. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take half section of the hairs, tie it like this. Now make the plaits. Fold it and make a bun and it's ready.